Hello guys, hope all of you are doing well. Today I will be sharing some good TTS text-to-speech, which might already be in your PC. If not, no need to worry, you can simply download it from Microsoft Store. Just click here and search for Microsoft One Note. And download it. After your download is complete, just open the app, enter the text that you would like to convert. Then click View on top left corner. And find Immersive Reader. Click it.
In literary theory, a text is any object that can be read, whether this object is a work of literature, a street sign, an arrangement of buildings on a city block, or styles of clothing.
You can change voice from female to male, and set the speed according to your desired level.
Clothing. It is a coherent set of signs that transmit some kind of informative message.
Next on our list is Notevibes. Just open its website and drag your text. And select Convert.
Hello, how are you? What's up?
You can even select variety of voices from the drop-down menu. Next on our list is, From Text to Speech. Just head over to its website, paste the text that you like to voice over, and finally select Create Audio File. Fourth on our list is Speechify. It's Chrome extension. Download it from its website by going to speechify.com. To use the extension, just select the text you want to read and right-click your mouse over it, and select Read Selection.
Generate your AI text-to-speech voiceover with only 3 clicks. Must listen to our samples. The best text-to-speech. No one will tell your voiceovers are AI generated. 10,000 plus reviews.
Coming up next is Natural Reader. Just as before, head over to its website and write your text or copy-paste it.
Natural Reader is a professional text-to-speech program that converts any written text.
Final on our list is Murf, even though it's a paid version, but it's a good one. From its website, take your mouse cursor to Products and click Text-to-Speech. Then click Open Studio. Now create a new project. Name the project and select blank. Now type in your text. You have variety of voices to choose from, and the voices are really nice as well. You also have the options for pitch, speed and add pauses. That's it. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe for more.